And they brought in my car. First time customer here with Splash. Looks as good as it did when I drove it off the lot, so phenomenal.
Guys, we're working on a BMW today that's been through it. 100,000 miles, 2018, Splash Blue. Arturo, go ahead and feel it. You can tell it's got a little bit of roughness on there.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna decon this. It actually has ceramic coating from the dealership from 8 years ago.
Right.
So then we're gonna go through and bring it all the way back. On the interior of these older BMWs, they went with this white leather. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna steam clean this. Arturo, you think with the steam clean, it's gonna bring this back a little bit? They're a little stained.
Back to life, bro.
Back to life?
Yeah, white.
Yeah, even the steering wheel, we're gonna bring this all back for them. I think the customer's gonna love it.
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
So this steamer breaks down all the gunk, all the dirt, basically everything that it's not supposed to be there. So we're gonna do everything, same thing as this one, and then we're gonna do it all around. So let me put the product in. And it's always good to make it super even. You don't wanna make it uneven or make it a little bit, you know, too much, too little. You gotta make it perfect. Now, touch it. Tell me how it feels. Nice and smooth, no? Like conditioner, basically. And then boom. That's all. And then we do it to every seat. This is our ceramic boost product, right? Then we're gonna apply it again. It's always like this, evenly. We wipe it off. How hydrophobic this thing is. All right, look. Look, check this out. You see how easier it is moving away and it's blowing out? So imagine if it's raining, you're driving, you come back to your parking lot or your driveway, it's basically dry already. It's pretty crazy how this stuff works.
If your rims look like this on this BMW, we're gonna go through and get all this brake dust off. We're gonna polish it in ceramic coating. Arturo, you think we can get these looking brand new again?
Brand new.
Brand new. Yeah.
There we go. Wait for it to dry a little bit, not too much, and then just wipe it off. And then boom, ceramic coated.
One extra thing we want to do for the customer is he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little rock chips on there. No charge. We're gonna go through and try and touch them up and really cover, you know what I mean, get this car looking blue again.
Hey, I'm a first-time customer here with Splash Hand Car Wash and Detailing, and I brought in my car, did the full interior and exterior, and the ceramic boost with ceramic wheels as well. Arturo did a phenomenal job. It looks absolutely stunningly beautiful. This is a 2018. I bought it new, and it looks as good as it did when I drove it off the lot. So phenomenal.
Thank you.